Meet Galaxy S22 Ultra, a transformative leap into a new world of possibilities. Welcome to the epic standard of smartphones. Follow me to the source of S22 Ultra's power. This is a 4nm processor, the fastest on Galaxy, with a 73% faster NPU. It fuels a long-lasting battery that can go beyond a day on a single 45-watt super-fast charge. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's meet someone who can show us S22 Ultra in action. That's Anna.
Hey.
She's working on a story for her digital magazine about night culture in the city. Employee ID. Nice. Anything can happen tonight. There's so much to be discovered in the dark, and S22 Ultra has the tech for it. It has nano-coated glass and lenses, Galaxy's biggest pixel sensor, and a super night solution capturing more light and detail. This is a low-light video experience called Nightography that makes nights epic.
Oh, did you hear that?
Yeah, it's getting closer. Oh, nice. The 12-bit HDR sensor is processing 68 billion shades of color with pro-level clarity. Wait, are they dancing in there? Let's see what S22 Ultra smooth video can do in low light.
I'm on it.
Perfect. Pause. Look how clear this is. There's a 58% wider OIS angle and 4 times faster motion sampling to compensate for unsteady hands. Hey, you're missing the show. Nightography is more than video. It's photos too. In low light, S22 Ultra's fast NPU powers multi-frame processing to create photos with the best layers of light and shadow. And every photo and video is safe in an ultra-secure folder. And now, let me show you something truly noteworthy. Watch this. For the first time, the power of Note has merged with the epic world of Galaxy S. S22 Ultra's S Pen breaks the rules of what's possible, even when you're collaborating and live sharing on Google Duo.
Check this out.
This was on the train?
Cool.
Wow, the night is over, and Ultra is still going strong. Perfect time for one last photo with a 108 mega adaptive pixel camera. And with a 1750 nit dynamic AMOLED 2X display, S22 Ultra shines bright even in the sun. I think Anna has something for us.
Just added the last touches. Take a look.
This is awesome. With the power of Nightography to make nights epic, and a noteworthy new look, Galaxy S22 Ultra breaks all the rules of what a smartphone can do. Welcome to the epic standard. Galaxy S22 Ultra.